Hey Steve, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. So I just went ahead and selected your first funnel that you have most recently updated here. Um, so I'm going to go ahead and go in here. There's a couple things I noticed here. Well, one major thing I noticed. Okay, so if you see right off the bat here, as soon as you open your page, you're going to see this here. See how this is desktop editor? You see that as well here. So what that tells me right off the bat here is that you have your entire setup here all set up for desktop only. So you're telling the system to not allow or to not even display any of this on mobile, okay, right off the bat. All right. So what you want to do is go ahead and go through each section and area, all the elements, rows here on the page, and then go ahead and open up the settings and go to all. All right, make sure you select all, right? So you can see it'll be displayed on mobile and desktop, all right, equally. All right, that will solve your problem right off the bat, all right? So just go ahead and do that on each and every page, all right? You're gonna hit all, and then go ahead and hit save, all right? Let's see here, I think this background here, let me pause this real quick. So real quick, this background image you have here, you may need to redo this step because it looks like, I'm not sure how you did this. So we have a lot of different templates, okay, and the pages act differently depending on how you build them, okay? So as you see here, I can hover, right, and I can hit a section here, okay? So here, I can change this to all, okay? And that will fix the problem, and you can hit save. Here, for some reason, I'm not sure. I'm not getting this section showing up here. So you may need to rebuild this step. You may need to rebuild this from scratch. The reason being is whatever section you had here before, for some reason it's not showing up right now. All right, as you can see, the rest of these are. Right, now go ahead and test this. Go ahead and set this one to desktop. Okay, this section here may just be a little bit of a glitch. So go ahead and set this to all, save, and then run the page. Okay. If you have any issues with this in the background, just let me know. Okay. But again, if you do have issues, I'm going to suggest just redoing this page, okay, to fix this issue. But again, this might just be a little bit of a glitch. So go ahead and make the selection here. Go ahead and save, and then run the test on the page. Okay. All right. Thanks. I hope that helps. Let me just go ahead and show you. This is going to be the same throughout your pages. So I've already gone through a couple pages, and you'll be able to see right off the bat that you have everything set to desktop. Okay. And you have the same issue here with the background. All right. So just go ahead and make those changes. All right, and you should be good to go. All right, thanks.